excited. You're welcome to today's financial trading culture episode. I'm really pumped up about this. Super pumped up. How was your week? How are you getting with your trading? Guys, I'm really excited about the feedbacks you guys are giving us. Really excited about the consistent willingness to learn from you guys. Guys, if there's anything I want you to do is to always drop your questions so that we can always help you with necessary answer as best as we can. And this is your first time visiting our channel, I want you guys to make sure you click on the subscriber button and the notification bell so that when next the amazing video will be dropped, you will not miss out in this. Guys, I showed you this trade when we first picked it and when it was giving us over 1 to 40 risk reward. Now imagine you start and starting a business with just $10, and in 3 weeks you've been able to grow the $10 to over $800. Now this is what trading is expected to do for you, but this is what I've seen a lot of people do over time. Now they have a challenge weighing trading activity over quantity. Now, it's not just about trading, guys. It's about you growing your money. Now, I understand that you've seen a lot of YouTubers that come online and they show you that big money. And you see, yes, the big money is there. The big money will make you excited. But the truth is that there is a process you need to know. There is an understanding you need to have. And that is what we're doing in financial trading culture. That you will be able to have a better understanding on how you can attend to your trading and treat it as business. Now, what did we see on GBPcad? From my experience playing in this place over 5 years, guys, I have seen that what brings the money is top-down analysis from monthly or from weekly zone. Then you go to as low as 4 hours or 1 hour to pick your entry and you can drive the trade down. And that is exactly what we've done. Now, if you did not watch the first case study on GBPcad when I dropped it first, the link will be dropped in the description below. So you can rewatch this video and enjoy the process. And this is what I expect you to go and implement. Don't just go to your chart. I know some of you want to be an intraday trader because you're a full-time trader. And one of my episodes, I'm going to tell you more about this, okay? Because you want to be able to do it right and not do it the common way. Okay, guys, let's get busy with the slide, with the chart, so that this would not be a too long video. Okay, good. So what did we see? I told you, if you have not watched my training on supply and demand, or for part 1, part 2, part 3, you want to go watch it. Okay, you want to go and rewatch it. Now, this is the first thing you want to make sure you're doing. You want to make sure you have a direction. You want to make sure that the trend is confirmed. It is when the trend is confirmed that you can now look for your zones for sell. As an intraday, as a retail trader, you call this impulse, you call this correction, you call this impulse. So you have to trade this impulse. And on this impulse, you can use your Fibonacci. On this impulse, you can use your supply and demand. On this impulse, you can use your trend line. You can use anyone you want to use here. But guys, you must understand what is working for you. So what I tell you to do is, once you have identified this, then you want to look for the tradable zones here, which is what we have done. Now, when the market retraces back to the tradable zone, then you go to your lower time frame, either 4 hours or 1 hour. Then you can kill it the way we kill it. Now, this is GBPcad. Let's go to the board. This is monthly time frame. What can we see on monthly time frame? We can see that the market is printing a lower high or lower low, a lower high or lower low. That has confirmed market structure. Good. Then you want to now put your Fibonacci from the top to the bottom, or you use your supply and demand, or you label this your discount zone or your premium zone, any strategy that you have learned. Implement it. But guys, you must understand that it's from the top. So what did we do in ITC? Once we get the approach to, when we got our zone, then we're able to go to weekly time frame. Now on weekly time frame, we still saw the direction of the trend, which is our sell trend line. And on our sell trend line, we had a monthly supply here. Rally base drop. So this becomes our zone of interest, rally base drop. Now, once we got that, we went as far as 4 hours. Now, on 4 hours, what do we see? We want to be able to identify the demand that will be destroyed, which we call break of structure. And you want to see minimum one or two, minimum one. Then you can see that we have our buy trend line here. So we drew our buy trend line here, and the market destroyed this break of structure. The market destroyed this structure. So this is the demand drop base rally on 4 hours. So the market cleared it. The market also cleared this demand. Then, because of that clearing, the market made this zone very tradable. Like, this is now the level we are interested in. So when the market got into this 4 hours, which is our tradable zone, when the market got into our 4 hours, which is our tradable zone, then we went as far as 30 minutes to get the killers, the exact zone that we want to trade here. So here, you can do 50% of that zone as your entry, 50% of that zone as your entry. So you can do 50% of that zone as your entry. You can see that. So that becomes your entry. So we're able to risk 7 pips, 7.9 pips for this trade. Now, Mr. Mayowa, how does this happen? Because you also want to make sure that this is coming in during the what? During the session. GBP is London session, CAD is New York session. So you want to make sure that you are placing this trade in a what? In a New York section. Oh, sorry, in a London session or a New York section. And by the time the market came into that zone, you can see the market picked it, and immediately it picked it, we are good. So when it got into that zone, look at the time. It came into that zone exactly 2000. That is before the opening of AUD, Sydney session. We're still in New York section. And as we got in there, he picked the trade and he started dropping. And it dropped really hard. It dropped really hard. So at this point, you are now going to be patient. So we are patient, like patiently waiting for the patient. I want to bring the so that's it. So this is our entry. You can see we're still holding it. The price as at now is at 1.6613. And because we have the understanding of where the market is going, once we pick it from monthly zone or weekly zone, because of that clarity, we're still holding the trade right now. And right now, it has given us over, you can see that, guys. Let's go to weekly. It has given us right now over 1 to 90 risk reward. So this is how you want to get the best out of trading. And we're still going to hold it, guys. We're still going to hold this till it gets to the demand. So we still have about 113 to go, 133 pips to go. So we expect this to drop some more. Now, will there be turbulence? There is going to be turbulence, guys, because trading is psychology. Trading is more of psychology, guys. So it means that the market will still do some retracement and you feel like closing it. But when you understand and you grow the culture of trading, you'll be doing well for yourself. And that is what I want you to guys to master, because it's not going to be smooth. Because guys, you can grow $100 to $90, to $900, $100, sorry, to $9,000 in 3 weeks. That's amazing, guys. You can grow a $50 to $4,500 without doing work. However, when it comes to trading, it is not about your strength, your physical strength. It's about your mental strength. So your mental strength will allow you to get better at it. So it is about your mental toughness. That is what guarantees money when it comes to trading. If not, when you see $100 with your $10 investment, you're going to close it. You're going to say, oh, I'm not doing it again, I'm just satisfied. But when you have the mental toughness, you will understand where the market is going to, and you can make sure you don't miss out of it at all. So this is how you follow through the process. And I'm going to keep you posted if once we get to 1.6300. At 1.6300, we're going to be looking for a potential buy, and we're going to be holding it for another long swing, guys. Guys, if you're gaining some value, I want you to click on the notification bell, click on the like button, and make sure you comment below. Thank you. Come on, guys, type in thank you. So go to your chart right now. Go to Gbpcad, identify what I have identified, and go and start repeating it in all other videos. And I can guarantee you that you're going to be very, very successful. Guys, if you want to be in our community, don't be shy at it. Relate with us, chat up with us. If you want to join the Discord group, monthly subscription is $100. You will be able to come on board and you're good to go. And to get on the one-on-one mentorship is $1,000 for 3 months and $500 for 1 month. But guys, you just have to start somewhere. Just have to start somewhere. Implement it, grow. Oh, Mr. Mayowa, right now I can't afford any of that. Then stay tuned on this channel. Learn more, implement it, grow, belong to a community where you are not just the only one trading, and other people can contribute to your growth. My name remains Owolabi, and keep watching Financial Trading Culture. I look forward to your success more. Come on, guys, if this has helped you, I do get a lot of Instagram update that this training is helping them. I want to get your feedback, guys, and I look forward to your success, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Peace out, guys. Bye for now.